This is a tutorial on Citavi 6. You will have to first identify the resource to be edited. To be able to edit the reference type, you will have to verify the information of the reference. Here, I see that the reference is a thesis dissertation, and therefore I need to change the reference type. To do that, I click on the journal article blue link and a pop-up window appears. Now I will choose Thesis. The left-hand side of the screen have all the reference types that are more frequently used, and the right-hand side has all the reference types that are not so much in use. Since I plan to use Thesis reference type in this project, I will drag and drop it to the left-hand side. Now that I am done changing the reference type, I will click OK, and you can see that the reference type have changed to Thesis. This is the end of skill number 1. Skill number 2, correcting author's name in all caps. Here I see that the author's name is saved in all caps, and I need to make changes to it. I verify the name by viewing it on full screen. There are 3 main methods of doing it. Method number 1. Directly make changes to the name by clicking on the author text box. Method number 2. Click on Author Field link. A pop-up window will appear and then enter or add the names accordingly. Method number 3. You can manually change individual author names by clicking on List at the top of the screen and then choose Persons and Organizations. You may double-click on any of the names or choose Edit and make necessary changes. And to be able to autocorrect multiple names that are full caps, do the following. Click on Tools drop-down menu found at the top of the screen. Then click on Manage Add-ons. Choose Correct Author Names in all caps, and then click on Install button. You will be prompted to restart or exit your Citavi, and this will take a few minutes to get your Citavi up and running again. Now that Citavi is up and running again, go to List drop-down menu found at the top of the screen, choose Persons and Organizations, and then choose Persons from the drop-down main menu. Choose Correct Authors' Names in all caps. The author names will be corrected. Well, in this case it looks like there were no names that were in full caps. This is the end of skill number 2. What if an author have no first name? What will you do? Click on the Reference tab found in the middle pane, and then enter or type Plato, on the text box for the author field. Or you could click on the author blue link to invoke a pop-up window, and then type or enter ... in the first name text box. Or you may click on List drop-down menu and choose Persons and Organizations, and then look for the name you want to edit. In this case, Plateau. Once you find it, make the necessary changes. You can now see that the first name have been filled with 3 dots. What if the reference or the document have no date of publication? Choose or highlight the document to be edited, and then click on the Reference tab in the middle pane. If the document or reference have no date of publication, the year field will be empty. Type or enter N.D. N.D. stands for no date. What if the document or the reference have no place of publication? Choose or highlight the document to be edited. Click on the Reference tab in the middle pane. If the document or the reference have no place of publication, the place of publication field on the Reference tab will be empty. And then type N.P. which stands for no place. How will we identify duplicate reference or duplicate documents and then delete them? Click on References, drop-down menu found at the top of the screen. Choose Show Duplicates Only. The duplicate documents will be listed. Highlight the document you want to delete and delete it. References or documents with identical ISBNs and DOIs will be identified as duplicates, but if year of publication or edition varies, the references will not be identified as duplicates. Now I am going to delete duplicate references. I click or choose the first reference to be deleted, and I hold on to the Control key and choose the next document to be deleted, and then I press the Delete button. Skill number 7. Renaming of PDF files. Choose or highlight the reference or the document to be edited, and then click on the Reference tab from the middle pane. Click on the gear icon found at the bottom of the Reference tab, or you may press the F2 button. And then choose Rename this file. I am entering a new name, which is the same as the title of the reference, and then click OK.